Yes, ask your friends to join fast. Ask some of them, your friends. Shivani Ambade, Durga Prasad, Bhagyasri, Anjana Badwai, Sachi Misram, Shruti Patel. Just ask your friends to join fast. Only 7 members we are there. What about others? 7 members we are. Ajay, just message your friends so that they can join fast. Already morning class you people are attended. Yes, still you inform some of your friends to join. Still we are at 12 members, including me. Just once more you ask your friends to join fast. Only we are 13 members. Yes, what happened? Other people are not joined. Only we are 12 members are there. These will 40 members are there. Out of 40, very less people are joined. Yes, all are connected. All are connected. Good afternoon to all. Okay. Shall we start? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Be connected on your videos so that we can able to have good interaction. Because you are connected, doing your personal work somewhere else, it is not good. Unmute yourself, all of you, so that it is connected properly. I will ask some questions to you people before going to start the session. Okay. Yes. Durga Prasad Mahule, what is operating system? Can you give me the definition? Durga Prasad. Unmute yourself. Unmute. Durga Prasad.
Yes, sir.
What is operating system? Give me the definition. Definition of operating system. Tell me at least one or two definitions. One or two definitions. Tell me anyone. Any definitions?
An operating system is a collection of software that manages computer hardware, resource, and provides common service of computer program.
Yes, excellent.
Yes, sir.
Done. Nice. Very good. Next, Sachi Mesram, connected. Unmute yourself on your video. Sachi Mesram. Yes. Are you connected or not? Sachi. Okay. Shivani Ambade. Shivani Ambade.
Sir, it is.
Yes, tell me.
It is not Ambade. It is Ambade.
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, Ambade. Tell me.
Okay.
definition of operating system.
Operating system is a software interference between user and the data collection
User
and the software.
hardware. User and hardware.
Huh.
Huh? Oh,
Software.
very good. Next, Ajay Barve. Ajay Barve. Next, Ajay Barve.
Present, sir.
Yes, tell me the definition.
Operating system.
Ah,
Operating system is a interface between computer user and computer hardware.
very good. Excellent. Next, Shruti Bagale. Shruti Bagale. Unmute yourself. What is operating?
Yes, sir.
Yes, give me some definitions. One or two definitions.
Operating system is the interference between computer user and computer hardware, and it is a collection of software that manage manage computer and hardware resource and provide common services.
Very good. Next, Shruti Kamini Nikure. Unmute yourself. Kamini Nikure. Kamini Nikure.
Computer system,
Yes.
operating system software that manage computer hardware resources and provides common service for the computer program.
Okay. Anyhow, it's good. Next, last question. I'll ask you some questions. Last question. I'll ask to whom shall I ask? Last question. Bhagyasri. Bhagyasri is connected. Bhagyasri.
Yes, sir.
Padole. What is your full name? Bhagyasri.
Bhagyashree Padole.
Padole. On your video and give me the definition of operating system.
Operating system may be defined as software and hardware.
Any other definition?
सर मैंने वो क्लास किया नहीं था इसलिए मुझे ज्यादा पता नहीं है.
Okay, anyhow it is good. Now, today, once again I will repeat the things, basic concepts. Okay, what is operating system? All those things I will remind all those things once again. Then we will go to the further. Okay, I'll tell you the things. Carefully connected. Okay, all people. Operating system. Short form. Oh yes. I tell you, but to write it will take some more time. Okay. OS is a collection of softwares. Operating system is a collection of softwares, or you can say OS is an operating system. Second definition. Next, second definition I tell you. Those are latecomers. Carefully observe. Second definition. OS is a interface between computer user and computer hardware. Be carefully listen. OS is a interface between computer user and computer hardware. That is a third one. OS is a interface. Interface between computer user like this, connected. This is OS. Here is computer user. This is a computer hardware. hardware. Next, third point is there. Third point, OS is manages the resource of all computer. OS is manages the resources of all computer. So total control is there. OS can control overall operation of the computer. Simple way. Or else you can say OS is controls operation of computer. That is simple way. OS is controls the operation of computer. Maybe hardware, the software, or external user, or internal user, or maybe it is connected to the printer, it is connected to the keyboard, it is connected to the mouse, or is it connected to the other devices, other network devices. All things are managed by operating system. So it controls operation of computer. Very important. These three definitions you have to remember right in the examination. If you go for interview also, they will ask what is operating system, how operating system can does. So first basic definitions, operating system is a software or collection of softwares. Second definition, operating system is an interface between the user and hardware, so this is interface. Next, third definition, operating system is controls operation of whole computer. Total operations taken care by, you want to delete software, you want to install software, you want to add some software, you want to delete some software, some files, you want to take the printout, you want to remove the printout. Suppose you want to keep the pen drive, that is also controlled by operating system. So that is why operating system is the manager of computer. Simple way you can say operating system is a manager of your system. If there is no operating system not installed in your laptop or else in the mobile, you cannot operate. In the mobile also Android operating system is there, Apple OS is there, Macintosh OS is there. So without in a desktop, Windows is there, Linux is there, Ubuntu is there. So all operations are taken care by operating system. So without operating system, we do nothing. Already I told you in the beginning one definition, general definition I told you. Have you remembered that general definition? I'll share with you what is the general definition. I'll share you people with the general definition. General definition I show you. See, already I told you in the previous class. What is operating system? That general definition, it may be useful for you, that's why. General definition, I tell you. This is the person. If in this person, inside the body, if a heart is there, heart, he knows very well what is heart. Okay, if heart is there, this person can walk, this person can talk, this person can run, this person can move, or this person can fly also. Getting? When heart is working in the body, if heart is in the functioning, then he can do all these things. Okay. If heart is not there in the person like this, Here is means in the body. No heart. Heart is damaged. That means heart is not working. So then he will like a sleep fall down. He fall down, he cannot do any operation. No operations. No movement, no walking, no talking, no running, no moving, no flying. Okay, so this is general example. So if a heart is there, person who works well, moves, talks, all operations, all works, he can do it. When heart is works. If heart is not works, he will fall down like this. Similarly, if OS is there in a system, similarly, what is there? Operating system is there in any system, is mobile system or desktop, laptop or any machine, other things, which is main software. Main software is OS. If OS is there, system can open, system can, you can do documentation, you can do, install some softwares you can install, you can delete, you can add, update, manipulate, you can, all things will be happening. OS is not there, these are the things. OS is there, all things are there. OS is not there in the system, nothing will be happening. System also cannot on. System also cannot on. Simply power button is connected, won't work anything. So that is a general definition linked to the technical definition operating system. So operating system is a collection of softwares or else software. Operating system is the interface between user and the computer hardware. Operating system is a control. Operating system controls operation of whole computer. So this is the basic definition. Now we will move to the, I'll show you some definitions, then we'll move to the operating system functionalities. Most important functionalities, how the operating system works. Okay, I'll share the PPTs. Carefully observe. Carefully you people observe all the things. Okay. Okay, operating system and its functionalities. Is it visible to you, this PPT? Yes. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Some people are
Yes,
telling
sir.
yes, are not telling. Huh? Is it visible or not? Just to tell me.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, right. Very good. You are connected. So first one is what is there here? Operating system. First slide is what? Operating system and its functions. Next, what is operating system? Operating system is the set of programs that controls a computer. Next, it provides a pleasant and effective interface between the user and the hardware. Third one, makes the computer more convenient to use. It makes the computer more convenient to use. That means like a user friendly. If operating system is installed in the devices, either laptops or mobiles or any other devices, then it makes a user friendly like that. Next, how operating system is connected, all these things. You might have seen all these things. Okay, operating system applications are there. Monitor is connected to the system. Some applications are there. Disk drive is there. Mouse is there. Printer is there. Keyboard is there. All these become a one computer system. So inside of that computer system, in the hardware, inside of the hardware, operating system is loaded or saved in the hardware. So that is the thing. Getting my point? I think everybody knows this one. This is general thing. System is connected to all these things. Okay, printer, mouse, disk drive, applications means some applications, software, browsers, maybe MS Office, maybe some apps, all those things. Monitor knows very well. Keyboard is also connected to the system. Okay. Next, some examples of operating system. Unix operating system is there, Windows is there, Linux is there, MS-DOS is there, Windows XP is there. These are all Windows version, XP, Windows 7, then now Windows 10, Windows 15, like that. Windows servers are there. So these are all Windows operating systems versions are there. Now Windows 10 is there, Windows 8 is there, Windows XP is there. Like similarly Unix also, latest version of Unix is 10. 18 is there, 18, 19, like that. Okay. Next, functions of operating system. Most important. These are the functions. Okay. Functions of operating system: process management, memory management, file management, security management, command interpreter. Apart from this, many are there, but these are the major things: process management, memory management, file management, security management, communication interpreter. All these things are there. Okay. Next, we move to first one, process management. In the process management, what is there? By process management, operating system manages many kinds of activities. Under that, all process from start to shutdown. First one, the process management, what is there? When you power button you on the system, immediately booting software is there. Bootstrap, you can call it as a bootstrap or else booting software. It will move on, it starts the wake up the operating system. That is called booting software. All process from start to shutdown. Okay, how to shut down, how to start, options are there. Okay, is it visible, this one? Sleep, unable to shut down.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible? Suppose we go to the Windows button in the bottom or else start button in your Windows system. There you can find out all these things. Okay, you can find out all those things there. Then creation and deletion of user and system process. If you want to create, admin user is there, guest user is there. If you want to keep more guest users, you can keep. Go to setting, there accounting is there. There you can, users are there. You can add, you can keep more users, or else you can delete users, or just only one user is there. Okay, that the process is done by process management. Next one, memory management. So in the memory management, what is there? The major activities of an operating regard to memory management are these things. Decide which process are loaded into memory when memory space becomes available. Allocate and deallocate memory process as needed. So for example, for this I tell you very detailed later on. Suppose C drive is there, D drive is there, E drive is there. First we need to check it your hard disk capacity. Hard disk capacity is 100 GB or 40 GB, 30 GB, 20 GB or 1 TB. So based on that, first you have to do partition. After partitioning that, you have to check in which drive space is available, where you want to save the file, where you want, from where you want to delete. All those things will be happening here. Okay, in the memory management. Next, file management. So in the file management, what is there? The file management system allows the user to perform such tasks like creating files and directories. You know how to create the file, yes or no? Once suppose you save the type any document in a Word, that you have to save in your own folder on desktop or C drive or D drive or any other drive. Okay, creating files and directories, renaming files. You know very well how to create files and renaming. Suppose once we create any file, that file name, you don't want to keep that file name, go to that file, right click on that file, go to that file, right click on that file, and renaming option is there. You can, whatever you want, right name, that name you can give it. Okay, next, copying, moving files. You can copy the files from one place to another place, from desktop to another directory, or else C drive to D drive, or else E drive to F drive. You can copy paste the files. Okay, next you can similarly delete the files also. You can delete the files. Next, security management. In the security management, what is there? By security management, OS manages.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Yes.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Okay.
Your voice is not clear here.
Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Now you are getting my voice. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now is it audible? Fourth point. What is?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Security management. In the security management, what is there? By security management, OS manages many tasks such as alert messages, dialog boxes, firewalls, passwords. I tell you very clearly, you know, every system is having one password. Yes or no? Even in the mobile also passcode is there. Even in the desktops, laptops, or any devices are having password. So if password is there, that is a protection to the system. If there is no password is there, somebody may log into your system, they can delete the files also. Like a firewalls. Firewalls means to protect the security for softwares inside the system. Whatever security is there, antivirus softwares are there in firewalls. Getting my voice? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Firewalls means antivirus softwares are there. Suppose then some like a unwanted persons, they can send some intruders. You can say intruders, they will send some like a virus code into our system. Some threats are there. From the threats, firewall protected. Okay. So these are dialog boxes, alert messages. Sometimes it will come to alert messages to the admin user. Your system is having some problems. Check it. They say like that. Next, command interpreter. A command interpreter is an interface between the system and the user. There are two types of user interfaces. Command line is there, graphical user interfaces are there. So these I tell you later on. Okay, what are they? Suppose command lines are there. Control. If you press Control P, that immediately go to the print command. Control C, copy. Control V, paste. Control X, cut. Alt F, close. Alt F4, close all files. Alt Q, close the window. Like this are there. All commands are there in this. Okay. We'll see later on all these commands. Next, some other same thing is there. I'll put here same thing. Memory management, processor management, device management, file management, security. Security means all firewalls, passwords that will come. Control over system performance from external, internal, job accounting, number, how many tasks are currently going on, error detection. If any error is occurs in the system, any file is corrupted, that also intimated to the system admin. Coordination between the other software and users. Other softwares are there like a assemblers, compilers. While you execute any program, so OS will be cooperating with other software like a C. To execute the C programming, Turbo C is there. One software is there, Turbo C++. For C programming execution, Java programming execution, HTML program execution. So OS will be support for coordinate or support for other softwares. Next, applications of operating system, where we can use applications. Okay, so these are all the applications. Security is there, control is there, Java accounting is there, error detecting aids are there, coordination between other softwares and users are there. So these are all applications. Okay, I'll share with these PPTs with you people. You go through it and study. Well, if you get any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you for attending session. Okay. You go through this later on. If you get any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, any doubt is there with you? Anybody? Anybody having any doubt? Yes, anybody doubt? Thank you for attending the session. Okay.